our 220 voltage commercial food and seafood steamer cooker. The top of the compartment holding each of the four trays. Measurements for the length, we have 17.5 inches. The depth, also 17.5 inches. And the height, we have 15.25 inches tall. As said, included are 4 bins. And the measurements for each one, we have 13.5 inches in length and 15.75 inches in height. So each compartment has a pull-out bins where you can store any types of food that you want to cook and steam. Coming beneath are pictures and examples of what you can use with this cooker, such as buns and seafood, everything else that you would like to cook. 3 temperature control switches, and on top is a base stand where you can pull out each bin and use it as a stand. Bottom measurements for the bottom compartment, we have 24.75 inches. The height, we have 27 inches. Depth, we have 23.5 inches. From bottom to top, we have at least 41 inches in height. Removing the top, underneath we'll have our heating elements where you can pour and dump in the water so we can steam and cook your foods on the top. So water must be filled at all times. Coming to your left is your release for water and your valve to lock and release. Last but not least, coming here is the wiring that needs to be tapped in order for it to operate. Our 220 voltage commercial food and seafood cooker and steamer. For more information, give us a call and visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.